Ready to skyrocket your WhatsApp marketing by effortlessly importing your contacts into Aisensy. First, let's navigate to the Contacts section on your Aisensy dashboard. You'll typically find this on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you're in the Contacts area, locate and click the Import Contacts button. This will initiate the upload process. You'll usually be presented with two options: adding contacts manually or uploading a CSV file. Selecting Upload CSV is the faster, more efficient method for larger lists. Make sure your CSV file is properly formatted before uploading. At a minimum, it should contain a column for phone numbers, and you can include additional columns like name, email, or any other relevant data. Now, upload your prepared CSV file by selecting it from your computer using the File Upload window that appears after you click the Upload CSV button. Next, you'll need to map the fields from your CSV file to the corresponding fields within Aisensy. This ensures that your contact information is imported correctly. After mapping, initiate the import, and you'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. This might take a few minutes depending on the size of your contact list. Finally, once the upload is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your contacts have been successfully imported into Aisensy. Now you're all set to start engaging.